I know my son gon' like this song, so I ain't finna curse. You know he gon' wanna explore the world, so I'm a star.
You guys know what this means? This means I am JDM certified. What you guys don't know is my car is actually more than 200 horsepower. On a good day, I can get up to like 201, 202. That is an ugly ass sweater, my dude.
It's not.
That is.
Hey, man, look at this. Look at this beautiful sweater.
Something is coming up. Oh, there it is. How's it going, guys? Chris here. Oh, the Supercar Suspects. Hope you guys are having a great day. I think it's a proper time for an intro right now. We just showed up to a Santa Monica rooftop car meet. Rooftop car meets are the best car meets around because we got a nice view here of the city and we got badass cars. And last time, Gordon told me they started getting ratchet here. Like they started doing burnouts and flybys down here. So that's my type of shit. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's go walk around and check out the cars. Straight rainbow Mustang, that is sick. I got a few more cars here. Whose alarm is that? What is that? Ooh, I'm digging those rims. Where are you at, Gordon? Oh wait, no. Gordon's right there. On today's episode of Cars We'll Never Be Able to Afford, Tada checks out the brand new GT3. Wow.
It's my type of car, it's automatic.
If you guys didn't know already, Tada here is the biggest virgin in the history of men right here. This guy told me he'd take an F80 M3 over an R34 GTR. Say it.
Obviously. Bro, is this like 2016 in the R34, like 1980?
I'm not with that guy. I don't know. I was just telling the viewers how Tada over here wants to take a Lexus RCFF and then F80 M3 over an R34 GTR.
Dude, M3.
Dude, look how nice that looks.
It's an F80 M3.
It's 2017.
I'm walking away. I'm not with these. I already know my man over here is about to rip it. Mystery Ari. Oh, I have a good feeling about this. Will he do it? Peer pressure. Holy shit. Andre almost died.
All day, baby.
Yes. Friggin' Oh shit! ugliest sweater in the history.
Did you guys miss me?
I missed you, bro. You guys really thought I was gonna go home after that. That parking rooftop structure meet thingy was pretty cool and all, but here's my home right here. This is my true home. Well, not the 99-cent store, but the car scene. You guys know what I mean. All right, we got a few shout outs. Okay, what do you got? What do you got?
Saw 6.0.
South 610.
Westside 50.
Westside 50. This guy's car caught on fire the other day.
Westside 50.
Yeah, Westside 50. We got the cops joining the party right now.
Oh, you putting me over?
Did absolutely nothing. Oh, we got more Subi owners. All right, guys, we pretty much pulled up to the second spot here. You guys can kind of tell there's cops right here. We're surrounded by cops. Hopefully they don't trap us in here. But Todd over here has work. Christian over here has work at like 7 a.m. So they want to go eat right now and go home. I came here to film and have some fun, but
We're gay.
yeah, the show car over here cannot stand these car meats. So we're going to go to Leo's Tacos, of course, and eat with like 15, 20 people. That should be fun.